Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you the condition of these Wedgwood Eturia Strawberry Fruit dinner plates. They date from 1930s, in fact 1932. They've actually got some date stamps on them. Strawberry fruit design is this sort of recurring interlinked hand-coloured strawberry and quite a sort of Greekish formal outer border rim. These are 10-inch dinner plates. They are in used vintage condition. We have got some condition notes to bring to your attention on these. General surface is pretty clean. There's no staining on them. But what you will notice around the outer aspect of these rims, little nicks and chips just out of the umber line detailing that was put on these. It's softer than the underlying or overlying glaze, and this is a good example where one's just got some little, what we call nibbling. They're not really chips as such, it's just where the enamel decoration has got a little bit of wear on it. You're very likely, if you look through your own set, if you're looking to buy these as replacements, have very similar wear on what you've got, so probably not too much of an issue for you. But if you're looking for mint condition or cabinet condition examples, I'm afraid these aren't them. So used vintage. There is a set of 8, which is quite unusual in these ranges to find it, from 1932. Be aware of the condition when you are purchasing these. They're priced accordingly, looking at under 10 quid a plate as opposed to 16 to 24 if they're in really bright condition. So Wedgwood Eturia, China, 10-inch dinner plates, strawberry fruit design. Oh, and the pattern reference, nicely being put on here by the decorators, A3906. They are Wedgwood impress marked, and here's one of those example date stamps here just to show you. They're also nicely marked with strawberry fruit, Wedgwood Eturia England factory stamps. Beautiful things. Thanks for watching.